Are you a professional decorator ready to take your skills to the next level? Then it's time to master the art of paper hanging with Brewers Decorators Academy Introduction to Paper Hanging course. This practical 2-day course is delivered by our highly qualified and experienced training manager and is packed with hands-on learning in our dedicated training facility in Wolverhampton. You'll be guided step by step through the core techniques of paper hanging, perfect for decorators looking to expand their services, boost their confidence and increase customer satisfaction.
I definitely would recommend this course. I think it's been very good. I think both Chris and Karen have been excellent, and I think also they're very professional in what they've done, so I think it's been really, really good to be able to go forward and decorate a room, wallpaper a room or wherever. It will just give me the confidence of doing that.
The best part, this expert training plus lunch, refreshments and free secure parking is yours for just £200 including VAT. You'll even get a free professional paper hanging kit worth over £60 to take home, so you can put your new skills to work straight away. The course is also CITB accredited, so you can walk away with a certificate to show customers and employers that you are trained to a recognised industry standard. Take the next step to your decorating career and book your place today to unlock the powers of professional paper hanging.